I would like to welcome everyone to class 3C's ICSC student, project showcase. We actually started this journey with the concept of grit, resilience, and goal setting. Now, during the journey, there have been times when we learn from our students of class 3C, and we would like to take this opportunity to share the glimpses of our journey with all of you. Having said that, let's quickly jump on to our presentation. Advait, can you tell me what is grit according to you?
Grit according to me is grit means to never give up. Grit is passion and focus towards goals. It is the ability to keep working hard towards a goal in spite of failures and unshakable spirit. Without practice and effort, natural talent is limited. But with grit, one can get better and excel at something when you work long and hard. 5 qualities that depict grit are courage, optimism, toughness, attitude for excellence, and passion. Thank you.
That was beautifully said, Advait, when you said that talent is limited, but when you have grit, you can make sure that you achieve your goals.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. So I would request the parents also. Yes, Advait, do you want to share anything? Okay. So I would also request the parents, feel free to use the space of chat box to appreciate the students while they are performing, so that they also enjoy and get encouraged with that. With that, explanation of grit in mind, I would now like to ask Kahan. Kahan, do you think grit is important?
Grit is of much importance. It helps us to stay focused on our goals. It makes us strong to achieve our goals. It teaches us not to give up on and trying and practicing. It helps us to make small steps and be confident to reach the main goal. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kahan. When you said yes, grit is important, and it helps us keep ourselves on the track, and it helps us achieve our goals. I think it was to the point said. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. Now, as per the research shared by Angela Duckworth, setting goals helps us to build our skills in perseverance and grit. Let us now ask our young learners about their goals, which they have created using the goal ladder. I would now like to request Rian to share his goal ladder and share his experience about the same.
Unmute. Yes. This is my goal ladder of my goal of being a scientist. To reach it, I will learn science, revise it, and take tests about science. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rian. I appreciate how you shared that you want to become something, but for that you will have to break it into smaller parts. Now, having that in mind, let's quickly ask Aradhya as to what are her thoughts on the same. Yes, Aradhya, your turn.
Yes. This is my goal ladder. I want to go downstairs for cycling. I will take my cycle, go to the left, take my cycle out of the lift. Then I sit and start to cycling. I enjoy it most. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aradhya. With this, we just realized that even if you have a goal of just cycling, you have to do so many steps, right? You have to take your cycle down, you have to make sure that the tires are proper, then you cycle, and those are various different steps that you follow, right, Aradhya? The steps they were beautifully described. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mastering each step of your goal is the key to success. Students explore this concept through mastering the dance movements. We now have Dheer and Devart who are going to show us one dance movement each. I see that smile on his face. Yes. Advait is also showing the thumbs up, right? Yes. All set, Dheer? Manasvi's already shared the sound. Yes, Manasvi, we are good to go. Great work, Dheer. Great work. We now have Devart.
Thank you.
Thank you, Devart. Where are you? Let me just find Devart. Yes, he's here. Yes, Devart, all set. Do we tell Manasvi to play the song for us? Yes, Manasvi, we are all set. Yes. I loved how Dheer did that wave and how Devart took that little extra effort of wearing the cap, getting ready, and did all that wonderful moves. Great job, Devart. Great job done by Dheer and Devart and all other students who did the performance before them. Now, I would like to ask Yatharth. Yatharth, is practice important to master something?
Yes, practice is important to master something. When you practice something, you get better at it. If you want to get good at something, or it is your goal to play an instrument on stage, you need to practice playing.
That is correct. That is appropriately put. Then, Yatharth, is there something that you have been practicing?
I have been practicing playing the keyboard, and it is my goal to become a pianist. Practice is very important. If you have a dream and you want to be someone famous, you gotta practice. How did Michael Jackson get popular and famous? He practiced and practiced. Thank you. Keep
Thank you.
practicing. You will achieve your goals. I believe in you.
Thank you so much. And I think the affirmation in the last was wonderfully put. We should all believe in ourselves and in our batchmates, classmates, and our friends and family, right? That just gives that little extra push. Yes, nicely put. Okay. So with that in mind, I'm sure that Yatharth practicing the keyboard on daily basis, it should actually take a lot of efforts and hard work. Now, many a times when we are working on a goal and when things become difficult, we just want to we just want to give up. Now, raise your hand if that happened with you. Right, I see Dheer raising the hand. Yes, it happened with me too. Whenever the going gets tough, I just want to change jobs. That's it. I just want to shift to another work because I can't handle it, right? Yes, I see some parents also raising the hand. Yes, I think happens with all of us. Yes, that's right. But having that in mind, we can't always quit, right? We have to gotta keep trying. Now, I would like to request Vihan and then Adya to share with us how you have to keep on trying.
Yes. If you keep trying, you can do your best trying ever. If you keep trying, you can achieve what you want. I've been practicing Alanka. Thank you. Keep trying.
Thank you. Vihan, do you mind doing it once again? You were not audible. Can we do it once again?
Yes. If you keep trying, you can do your best trying ever. If you keep trying, you can achieve what you want. Like I have been practicing Alanka. Thank you. Keep
Thank
trying.
you. Thank you so much, Vihan. So yes, practice is really important and you have to make sure that you don't give up, right? Now we will quickly ask Adya. Adya was here. Adya, are you there? Just in case if you've joined from some other name. Okay, it seems that Adya has somehow logged out. When she comes back, she can present her work. She was also going to share Alankar with us and show us how important it is to practice. Even if, you know, the going gets tough, you need to keep going. So now for every goal that we set, we also have a plan to support it. Our students learned it through the art. May I request everyone to please mute yourselves? Okay. So our students learn this through their art activity, whereby they plan their drawing of human figure through various shapes and you know, step by step way how you achieve your goals. So now I have Khevna who will share about her experience.
Yes, ma'am. While drawing my drawing, it was not that difficult, but it at sometimes I was confused. But it was not difficult. I can draw it very easily, and it was fun while drawing this drawing.
Thank you so much, Khevna. Would you mind holding up your drawing so that everyone can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A little high. Yes. Yes. The shapes are perfectly used to make a human figure. That's beautifully done, Khevna. So now, yes, me, I know who that is.
It's me, Adya.
Adya is here. Okay. So now that we are learning about goal setting and we are talking about, you know, how you have to plan the things, I think same applies to all the artwork that you do, right? You have to plan, you have to make sure that you don't give up. So as Adya is right here, Adya, you can share your Alankar with all of us.
Okay.
Great work, Adya. That was the second Alankar in Aakar, wonderfully sung. Thank you so much. So now, during the lockdown, a lot of us worked on our fitness goals. Didn't we? We all worked on our fitness goals in some or the other way, right, everyone? Yes, I see a couple of thumbs up. Now, our students also took up a challenge of becoming fit and fab through their dance lessons. We have Hate, but I see Hate is traveling. So, Hate, I would want to ask you, do we play a song and you sit and dance along, or do you want to share your thoughts on this? Your choice. You can just sit and dance. No, it's okay. Your friends will also enjoy.
I want to tell my thoughts.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Go ahead.
My task was, my goal was to be a engineer and make my own company. That was my biggest goal. And I want to also help poor people. So that was my goal.
Right. Thank you so much, Hit. So now that you want to have a big company, you want to help people, make sure that you take care of your health, okay? It's important. First of all, when we want to do something for others, make sure you take care of your own self, right? Yes. Is Nairit here by some other name? Just checking in case if he's here. Okay. So now the goals that we set are deeply influenced by our interest and our passion. I would now like to invite Hitansh. Hitansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. I had to spot you and that is why I called you out first. Okay, so Hitansh, can you tell us what is that you are interested in and how are you working towards getting better at it?
Yes, ma'am. I am practicing at running, and I am interested in running, and I am practicing like I'm doing sports for running, and I'm playing. I am running, playing badminton. Yes, this was I am interested in.
Wonderful. Right. So you want to make yourself better at running, and that is why you make sure that you practice it daily, right? You play
Yes.
badminton, you play other sports to make sure that you are in a way on track to achieving your goals, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Hitansh. Myra, would you like to share your hobby and tell us how do you practice the same?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, my hobbies are to draw and paint. To get better in it, sometimes when I am free, I draw and paint.
Okay, Myra. So do you want to share anything while you draw, like for your drawing skills? Do you want to show something?
Yes, ma'am, I want to show something.
Can we quickly get it? And the other students, in case if you have to get something quickly. Yes. Oh, beautiful. That's a jungle safari.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Myra. So now that we've talked about...
One second.
Okay.
That's
Now that we've talked about goal settings and how you have to make sure that you keep going and you don't give up on the tasks. Ready, set, and goals. This has been our motto for the theme of grit. And now I would like to invite Neha and then Kyra to take us all on the musical journey along with them. So first of all, Neha, just give me a moment, okay? Yes, Neha.
I have a dream so bright. If I can see it, then I can be it. I have a plan, gonna get it right. I have my mindset, I know my next step. Step, 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 step. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Go on and on. Ready, set, goes, goes. Thank you, ma'am.
Great job, Neha. Great job. Wonderfully sung. And I just appreciate how you added your touch to the tune of the song. Great work. I would now like to request Kyra to share her song.
I have a voice so strong. If I don't see it, then I can't be it. I have my goal, I have my song, I have a mindset, I know my next step, 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 step. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, grow. Ready, set, glow. We're on the roll. Ready, set, go. Thank you.
Great job, Kyra. With this in mind, give yourself credit for the days you made it when you thought you couldn't. Appreciating small steps and little achievements is as important to the journey of perseverance as it is to stay gritty. I would now like to invite Sanvi and Vanshnur to show us and to tell us how small little drops of water make the mighty ocean and how small in the way as little steps make a big goal. Sanvi, over to you.
Yes. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. We need small steps to make a big goal is because that if we just do only one or a big step before achieving a big goal, then we won't do it as good or as accurate as we thought it would. If we take small steps, then we can achieve it more accurately. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanvi. I would now like to request Vanshnur. Yes, Vanshnur.
Yes, ma'am. So the little movements, humble through they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vanshnur. Just checking in, is Sparsh here with some other name? Sparsh? Okay. Shambhavi? Right. Varunesh? Okay. Seems that these people are not here. So in case if they join in later, we will ask them to kind of share their thoughts. So now, each step that we take towards our goal is journey into the unknown of trying something new. This year, our young learners tried the art of choreographing for the first time, and it was a moment of pride for all of us, and of course for them. I would now like to invite Muskan to show the step which she choreographed. Muskan.
Ma'am, I have to say that I am not feeling well today.
Okay. Then do you want to share? Huh.
From yesterday, my stomach is paining a lot.
No worries. It's okay if we don't dance right now. Can you share us while we danced the last time and we were choreographing our steps? How did we feel about it?
Ma'am, I don't hear you.
Sorry. Acha, okay. I'm not audible.
No, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm asking, we might not dance right now if we are not feeling well. But remember the last time we made some steps and we danced on some song. How did you feel then when you choreographed your own dance?
Ma'am, if anybody choreograph anything from their own, they feel very good.
Yes, they feel good. Also, you may feel a bit of creativity in yourself. You feel creative, right? And you feel proud of yourself, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
That is right, Ritu. Thank you so much, Muskan. Okay. Learning how to be gritty and to continue to persevere towards your goals, come what may, is a journey. Each story of grit is different, and being self-aware, knowing oneself, is the important part of the journey. I would now like to invite Vedanshi and then Pahal to share their visual representation of the stories of self-awareness and grit. Vedanshi, over to you.
Yes. This I made it.
What is that?
This is the Humpty Dumpty drawing.
Right. And what do you want to share about the drawing with all of us?
Steps about that.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes. First, the ma'am shared 3 links of the rhyme. We have to choose one, and then we have to just imagine what we have to draw. So I choose Humpty Dumpty. There were three rhymes. One was Humpty Dumpty, one was the Thirsty Crow, and another was Aloo Kachali. Yes.
Yes.
And this I just made it. This looks like 3D Humpty Dumpty. I just taken two sketch pens and then draw.
That's beautifully drawn. That's beautifully drawn, Vedanshi. Thank you for sharing that. Now I would request Pahal. Pahal, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to be a lawn tennis. And first I didn't know how to play long tennis. Then I was going in a long tennis coach. Then I want to be a long tennis coach, and now I know nice long tennis.
Right. So it is really important to know what do we want to do, right? If we do not even know what is lawn tennis or whether we are liking it or not, it will not be possible for us to kind of go and play, right, Pahel?
Yes, ma'am. My mother, father is not here, so it's okay.
Yes, it's totally fine. We all are seeing it, okay? And you're doing a great job, right? Tough times never last, but tough people do. We have seen examples of this every day during this pandemic. We have been the role models for our students, and students have been the role models for us. There is so much to learn from these young learners. And to close the showcase on this note, I would now like to invite Harshit to share his thoughts with the audience about one thing which we all can take care to be more gritty.
Yes, ma'am. Namaskar. I am Harshit Thakkar from class 3C, and I will share about grit, how to practice grit, and I will share 3 ways. I hereby summarize the daily grit practice following 3 steps. We need to follow being happy, speak gently and do not give it, and give respect and get respect from others. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshit, for organizing that information really nicely so that we could understand. That was wonderfully done. And with this, all the students have shown their work, and I would want each one of us to clap and give a round of applause to all the students because they've done a great job. We've been practicing this for a couple of weeks, and it has been a wonderful journey with, being with them, learning along with them. It has been a wonderful journey. I would want all the students to raise their hand. Everyone, quickly, turn it around. Around, on your back. Pat it. Great job done. Okay. And now with this, it brings us to the last segment of our showcase.